Hazrat Abu Huraira radiyallahu anhu says, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam dispatched some riders towards Najd, and they arrested and fetched a man called Thumama bin Uthal of Bani Hanifa, and fastened him to one of the pillars of the Masjid Nabawi. When the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam came to him, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, O Thumama, what is your intention? He replied, O Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, my intention is good. If you kill me, you will kill a murderer. If you do favor, you will do him a favor who is grateful. If you want property, you can demand as much as you wish. The next day, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, O Sumama, what do you intend? He replied, I have already told you that if you do favor, you will do a favor to him who is grateful. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam left him there and went away. And the next day he sallallahu alaihi wasallam again said, O Thumama, what do you think? He replied, I have already said. Thereupon he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, release Thumama. He went away, reached a garden near the mosque, took a bath therein, re-entered the mosque and said, I testify that there is no worthy of worship save Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, and Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is the true apostle of Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. O Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, on the face of the earth, I did not despise any face more than yours, but now your face is the most beloved to me. By Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, I did not abhor any religion more than yours, but now your religion is the dearest to me. By Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, I did not detest any city more than yours, but now I love it the most. Your cavalry arrested me while I was going to perform Umrah. Now what do you command? So Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam gave him glad tidings and asked him to perform the Umrah. When he reached Makkah Mukarramah, someone said to him, have you become a renegade? He replied, no, but I have embraced Islam at the hand of Muhammad, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. If you do something wrong with me, by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, not a single grain of wheat will come to you from Yamama without the permission of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 4372.